Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to our channel. Today's video is about this easy rubber band jumbo twist. Please watch to the end and see how I achieve this look. My hair is already washed and moisturized, and also I've parted my hair into 20 sections. I'm using one pack of this braiding hair. I cut the hair into a tray and feather the blonde ends. Here I'm taking the rubber band out first and split the hair into two. Then place the hair extension at the middle of my natural hair. Clap the natural hair together and then use rubber band to hold the natural hair. In this way, the hair extension is secured. At this point, I use gel to smooth my hair and split the natural hair into two. So one piece for each side of the braiding hair. Then I twist down the entire length. At the end, take a bit of the braiding hair and make a knot so that the hair will not unravel. This method of clapping my natural hair together is same as when you are using crochet tool. The only difference is that if I try to crochet this hair extension through my natural hair ponytail, it will be painful since the hair extension is big. So this method is actually perfect. No tension, no pain. So that's basically what I kept doing until I'm done with the 20 ponytails. Let's go over the process one more time. Remove the rubber band. Divide the natural hair into two. Put the hair extension in the middle of the natural hair. Clap the natural hair together. Use the elastic band to secure it. Smooth with gel and split the natural hair across each side of the extension, and then twist the entire length. At the end, take a bit of the braiding hair to make a knot to secure it. After that, go ahead and trim the excess hair. Put the ends of the hair in hot water so that everything will be nice and secured. Set your edges with edge control. You can also add accessories. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will surely see you all in my next video.